Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a portfolio website using WordPress. So if you want to attract potential clients, then this tutorial is for you. First, you have to go to your any web browser and then create a WordPress account right here. You can sign up using your email address or Google account, and after that, you have to create or choose your domains. So let's just say your portfolio is all about heritage or vintage, something like that. Then WordPress will, of course, suggest some possible domains for you. But of course, you must pay for that or purchase that. So basically, I have my account already. And in order for me to create a new website, or let's just say create a new portfolio, you must go to sites. As you can see, I have my previous sites right here. To create or add a new site, you need to click this add new site at the top right corner, and it will take you directly to this. So again, you need to enter some domain, but you can also do that later. So as you can see after that, if you skip that part, then they will ask for your goals. Then you will see some options here like write and publish, but I want to tap this promote myself or business. So as you can see, they have all samples right here, but basically these are not for free. If you want to use these templates, then you need to upgrade your plan. So let's go on to free layout or template right here. But basically, I'm going to give you an overview of the template that you can use once you have upgraded your plan right here. So this can be categorized and everything is up to you. You can filter this with whatever you want to create. So all you have to do is go to the upper part and then filter the category. Then you will see here all the templates, and all you have to do is to simply create one by tapping that specific template. So what we're going to do with the sample template right here is we're going to edit this by removing these pictures and change this to my products. Okay, pictures of my products. So you can now start editing your portfolio right here. Let's start with the logo. So basically you can change by tapping that and then click this pencil icon right here if you want to edit like add words or remove words. But let's make sure that we have our logo first. So of course, if we want our portfolio to be enticing, we need to add a portfolio right here. So what I'm going to show you right now is this editing tool named Canva. You can just simply create an account, okay? And then you can also do this even if you're just using the basic version. So all you have to do is go to create a design and then you can type logo right here. Then you will see sample dimensions for logo. You have to click one, and then this is what it looks like. Now I want to create a logo for my vintage website, something like that. So this is an example. You just have to edit the image or the name, and then after that, download and go back to your WordPress and then change the logo right here by tapping this gallery icon. And then you can choose if you want to change this and make it as a gallery or albums. But I just want to change the logo. So let me tap the logo right here. So I have changed my logo design to Heritage Souls. If you want to add or change your name, tap this pencil icon, change this. So this is my portfolio or WordPress portfolio name. And then if you want to edit this and add description, just feel free to tap the pencil icon and then edit. So this is my portfolio name or website portfolio name and then my description. Okay, so basically that's how easy it is to make a portfolio website using WordPress. And there are tons of options here. You can change the alignment. Okay, you can change also and tap bold right here if you want to change editing format. You can also add a link if you want by tapping this. Okay, you can insert link if you want, or you can also delete this. So you can also add your social media account. For example, if you have your Instagram, if you have your Twitter, and if you have other social media account like Facebook, and if you want to add it right here, just paste your URL. So when people see this portfolio and tap this social media icon, it will take them directly to your social media account. As easy as that. You can also change the view of the gallery here. Okay, so feel free to tap the view like read or let's just say other options right here. So feel free to change that. So let's go and see more options. As you can see on the left side, If you tap paragraph or any of these options right here, that means you want to add this feature inside your WordPress portfolio. So if you want to add image, just tap this one and then you can add image. If you want to add paragraph, then you can add paragraph. So like what I mentioned earlier, I want to add my product pictures right here, images. So what I'm going to do is I want to upload this images. So let me tap upload, make sure that these pictures are all ready, import the picture. This is an example. Feel free to edit this one, add some description, add a text. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, I want to add a text right here. Click now. And what does it mean if the customer or client will click this? Then that means subscription. So they have subscribed to my WordPress or my website. So that's it. Now feel free to add more options and features right here. All you have to do is look for the feature and option where you can add gallery, images, paragraph, and you can also adjust your picture right here. You can adjust your gallery right here. And you can also delete a function or button right here. Everything is up to you. So this is just an example. And as you can see, if you want to add more, like if you want to add your social media account, so basically what you're going to do is you have to go down and then add something like if you want to add README, if you want to add Twitter, if you want to add Instagram, if you have Amazon, if you have Facebook, just feel free to click this and all you have to do is to paste or add your link right here. Like what I mentioned earlier, when someone visits or receive this mail, and if they click these social media icons, then it will take them directly to your social media account. So that's the good thing about adding this. But everything is up to you. If you want to add more images, if you want to add details or videos, gallery, or anything that you can see right here on the left side. So yes, it is possible because these are for free and it will be added to your portfolio. So basically, that's how easy it is to create or make a portfolio website using WordPress. Just create an account, add a new site, and then look for its specific layout or template and then edit. It's just so easy to edit because all you have to do is to select a specific button or feature right here. It will be added to your website or portfolio, and all you have to do is to edit that word, or you can insert or add a link. So that's it. You can also add gallery, images, everything is up to you. And this is the sample, okay? So as you can see, if the customer or client will click this click now button below, then they will be or they will subscribe automatically. Okay, so as you can see, this is the result or this one will pop up. So basically, that's how easy it is to create a portfolio website using WordPress. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe and see you again in our next video tutorials.